Hey guys, welcome back to Knotty Threads. In case you're here on my channel for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on our future videos. So today's video I'm going to work a crochet kuchu design, for which I'm using my regular crochet hook number 10 and I have my 6 strands of silk thread ready here in the contrast color. This is the pallu, the right side is on top, and the pallu has this kind of silver colored zari all over. That is the reason I'm using silver beads. Now these are 5 silver metal beads. These are also available in plastic base or any other material is completely fine, but what I have is metal beads that I'm using for today's video. So I'll start off by fixing the knot here in the corner, and since I'm using beads in the first line, I'm having the right side of the saree on top, and then I'm working 2 chains, which is actually counted as the first double crochet. So these 2 chains are counted as first double crochet. After that I will work 5 double crochets, one next to the other. So 5 double crochets and the initial 2 chains, all together that is 6 double crochets here. After 6 double crochets, I'm going to add 1 bead. Just slide the bead like this, lock it with a chain stitch, and then I'm going to continue working 6 double crochets again. So the base is very simple. We'll just keep working the same thing till we reach the end of the pallu. So 6 double crochets, add a bead, lock it with a chain stitch, and then continue with 6 more double crochets. So this is how you will continue till the end of the pallu. But you will have to make sure you lock it with a chain stitch, otherwise the bead is not going to sit properly. And also make sure the double crochet length is not too long. I finished working the first line and I have trimmed my first color, and here I have attached my second color, which is this violet. And here I have worked 6 double crochets. So on the first 3 double crochets I'm just going to work single crochets. So after 3, I'm directly going to start working double crochets in this thread that runs behind the bead. So we'll work about 10 double crochets. So after 5, I'm going to add 1 small silver bead and then continue with the remaining. So after 5 double crochets here, I have added 1 bead, and then I'm going to continue with 5 more double crochets on the other side. So after 5, I'm going to skip the first 3 double crochets and I'm going to work single crochets in the last 3 doubles here. So this is 1, 2 and 3. after which I'm going to work 4 chains, and this is the space for our tassel, and again I'm going to work 3 single crochets. So after 3 I'm directly going to start my arch. So it's very simple and it does not take too much time. Directly start working double crochets in that thread. You might have trouble working your first stitch, but once you have your first stitch in, then automatically it'll make space and you can accommodate the remaining stitches very easily. Again, adding bead in this step is completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip, or if you want the design to be more grand, then you can add little smaller beads, which is 0 mm size, after every stitch. So what I'm facing right now is the wrong side, and in the right side this is how it looks. So if we add a very small tassel here in between, it looks really pretty. So we'll just continue the same. I worked 4 doubles. After the 5th one I'll add 1 bead, and then continue with 5 more. And then continue with 3 single crochets. So it is an alternating pattern. Under 1 bead we are working the arch, and under 1 bead we are working chains, so that we can tie our tassel in the next step. So with that, the crochet part is complete. In the next step I'm going to tie tassels, and with that the saree is done. So this is the final look after adding tassels. For the tassels, as usual, I have taken 120 strands and I have alternated the colors. If the saree has 3rd color, then you can use only that color for the tassel part. And I have used silver zari to tie the tassels because saree doesn't have gold anywhere. That's the main reason why I have used silver beads also. So this is the final look. So these kind of design gets done in less than 3 hours, including the tassel part. So if you have an urgent order, then definitely you can try something like this. So do let me know in the comment section how you like this design, and also let me know if you have any requests. Subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs, and also check out my blog knottythreads.net. For all the material, you can place orders on knottythreads.com. We have started shipping across India again, so you can place your orders. That's all in today's video. I think I'll see you guys soon. Until then, take care.